So in order to take advantage of the microphone, so I'm doing this for the chapel where the microphone is in a large space. I'll just demonstrate. So I'm recording from my own Zoom link, and I'm going to go to Zoom and then preferences. Within preferences, go to audio, and then keep this on low, faint background sound, and then show in the option to turn on original sound. That's up here. And so we're going to turn that on, and we're going to use these three choices. So it looks like those choices are retained. And so because they're retained, all we have to do is select this so it says turn off, which means that it's on. So hopefully that will solve the audio problems.